sirree.
That looks like winter.
And our fence, our highest fence, you can't even see the top of the mountain. It's on the, just on the other side of that at the base.
Hello, Americans.
And other friends and subscribers around the world.
Back again.
Back again, man! You gotta do it like that.
Yeah.
Do it.
Back again! I can't do your weird.
So, needless to say, right now, as you can see on our faces, the sun has came out the first time. It is
Beautiful out here right now.
It's evening, Friday evening. All this battery's going to do. It's going to be a short video. But 5 o'clock, around 5 o'clock in the evening, the rain, it has been dumping all day. This thing isn't even tight. I feel like we're going around. And it just quit. So we did not go up the fences today. As you can see up there, it is dumping. We
would have to have a
snowmobile.
No, one of those ski patrol rescue vehicles. What do they call those?
The six-wheelers?
No.
Oh, you mean like in The Shining? Yeah, like in The Shining,
yeah.
the little cab one. That's what I want, man. Send me one of those.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
But so we didn't go up. We're gonna go up in the morning, mid-morning tomorrow. We have to go up, man. Check
the sun come up.
Last time we were up there, the cows. You know, I said the cows were pushing off there, but man, this storm has hit. They're changing the weather forecast. It's funny because even the guys on the news, you know, because I caught it the first thing this morning, then I caught it in the afternoon, Lion Larry in the morning, Lion Larry at lunchtime, and now it's the nighttime, dude. And every time it's changed, man. And then on our phones, it's changing like every 10 or 15 minutes.
They can't.
Yeah, there's no predicting this, man. Like I said, only Mother Nature knows what's going to happen up there on that there mountain. But we'll be going up there tomorrow, so we'll take you along with us, man. Huge snowstorm. I haven't even checked on the. I'm sure Montana's still getting it too, I would guess. And they've got over 2 foot. Yeah, I don't.
That'd be tough.
When we were up there last time, there was probably 2 to 3 inches. And if it snowed up there like it rained. It started raining here about 2 in the morning, then rained till, I think, 4 o'clock this afternoon. And I mean dumped. Yeah, it was, we got a few things, indoor stuff done. Sat in front of the fire drinking coffee for a good long while, too.
Yeah, morning coffee lasted a little bit longer.
Yeah, but then we had talked about doing a live show, man. We're still going to kick that around today. Just wasn't the... It was a very somber, I wouldn't say relaxing day. Didn't get to sit around and relax too much, but got some work done, got a few listings done, got some shipping done. Miss Kitty just made pulled pork sandwiches, and you can actually go back on our videos and see her recipe of how she did it. Man, I'm excited.
Hey, I'll put that in right here.
Yes. You going to do that?
Yeah, I could do that.
Oh, really? I don't think you do that anymore.
Only if you need me to.
Okay, hey.
If you ask me.
Right there. They are delicious. So we're going to go and have us some pulled pork sandwiches.
Oh, I don't know if I can do that with we don't have the editor.
Okay, so it won't be right there.
I'm
but
so
you can look
sorry.
back at the things.
Yeah, I can put a link down in the bottom. So go down there.
Editor on your... I thought it was the same editor. On your computer. Anyway, we'll check.
I'll look at it.
Yeah, we still haven't got that part.
Oh, that's actually...
She's losing her mind.
Don't
arm's killing
listen
me.
to the crazy hillbillies. It's actually... I do it. It's been a while since it's on YouTube.
Okay. So there will. So if there's a link there, we can do it. If there isn't, you're way past that point
I know.
now. And if there isn't, then we can't. Yep. So that's the way it is on that deal. Yep. You're so cute. I know. So that's the plan, man, for tomorrow. This video, like I said, man, just check it in. Huge snowstorm and just doing the winter thing, chopping wood and getting wood in, and need to get more wood up there. We're going to go up in the green bean tomorrow, see, if we can get up to the fences. We walk this way.
Okay, yeah, because that's red, and I got to check my food.
Oh, yeah, the thing's getting bad.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's going out, so, man, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Helps keep the lights on. The home fire is burning. Check out the links below. The sale ends tonight, and lots of new stuff on there and goodies. And good Lord willing, and the creeks don't rise.
We'll be back again tomorrow.
See ya.